Hi guys, it's hair oil season, and in today's video we are making the simplest hair oil recipe you can do for yourself. Keep it in your cabinet and use it as long as you want, and it's very effective. You're only going to need 3 powerful ingredients for this video, or for this recipe, or for this hair oil. Yes, just 3 ingredients. Start off with oregano leaves. Guys, this leaves is currently underrated in my opinion. Like, nobody talks about it, but this is so powerful. The properties in this leaf are so excellent. Like, it contains vitamin C, which is essential for producing collagen in our bodies. And let me say this, you can actually consume oregano leaves. Yes, people use it as spice. It's the difference between oregano and parsley is really slight. One is darker than the other, but yes, oregano is great. It's a great source of nutrient for your scalp and for your hair growth. So this ingredient is a must-have in this hair oil. Our next ingredient is fenugreek. Hey, if you've been on this page, you know that fenugreek is always in my recipe, or is always in my video. Fenugreek seeds are very beneficial. I always focus about the impact fenugreek seeds or fenugreek has on our scalp when we are dealing with dandruff. Yes, fenugreek seeds is full of nutrient that is able to combat dandruff. If you want to fight dandruff, please use fenugreek seeds consistently. Give yourself about 6 months and stay on a consistent routine, and you are going to be surprised. You're going to be impressed about how your dandruff is going to be eliminated. And aside that, it's also going to revive damaged hair follicles. And last but not least is black seeds. Yes, black seeds is also one seed that's really underrated, but is very good for the hair. Yes, I usually use black seeds not very often as compared to the way I use fenugreek seeds, but black seeds is one of India's best spice for hair growth. It's able to moisturize the hair and also the scalp. There was a study on 90 people, and it was found that people who use black seed oil had a significant reduction in hair fall compared to people who didn't use black seed oil. So with these 3 ingredients, you are done, and you can make this very potent hair oil. The only thing you need in addition to this herbs is your carrier oil. You can use olive oil, coconut oil, castor oil. Castor oil is a thick oil, so you don't need to make it the main carrier oil. You have to make it a substitute, in addition to an actual carrier oil. Yes, in this video I use extra virgin olive oil because it's my favorite oil, because it's able to moisturize the scalp very well and very fast or easy. Yes, once you are able to infuse these oils in your herbs, just keep them in your cabinet for about 4 weeks. That's if you don't want to include any heat in it. Keep them in your cabinet for about 4 weeks and then strain them. If you like, you don't need to strain them. You can just dap your hands in the oil and then apply it to your scalp whenever needed. You don't need to strain them if you don't want to. You see how simple this oil is. You don't need to go and spend so much in buying any expensive oil, unless these herbs are far from you, unless these herbs are a bit unreachable. But aside that, you can do this hair oil yourself at home at any time that you want with little ingredients. Most of the ingredients are basically in your kitchen. If you don't have black seeds, you can replace them with any herbs you have, like rosemary or any other herbs that you have available. It's important to keep this in a dark place so that it doesn't have direct sunlight impact. It doesn't have any significant purpose, but then I think keeping it in a darker place so that it's able to infuse for about 2 weeks is going to help a lot. Yes, so I'll be ending here for today. I just chipped in this because I couldn't hide this important recipe. In my next video, I'll show you how you can use this hair oil to grow your hair. Unfortunately, I didn't have space on my phone to record everything, which I apologize. But then in my next video, I'll show you how you can use these herbs either for hot oil treatment or for a scalp, anything. Yes, don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you are new, and don't forget to like this video. If you have any comment, please let me know in the comment section, and I'll be so happy to answer. My name is Lydia once again. Thank you so much for watching this video. Till next time, bye.